There are many grand challenges that are facing our society right now. How we generate and consume electricity is one of the biggest problems. It really seems that the way we're doing things right now is not sustainable, and this is something we have to address.
Our life is really intertwined with how we use electricity. Our computers, our cell phones. This is really a major issue moving forward to make future electric power use, transportation use more environmentally friendly.
If that's a challenge you're interested in addressing, the electrical engineering department is a fantastic place.
It needs a lot of engineers, it needs a lot of thinking to build these things. We've been burning quite a lot of fossil fuels, and we need to really change how we burn our fossil fuels.
We can tackle it from so many different aspects. So you can find the aspect of this problem which really resonates with you, and then you can go after that.
You can look around you. What is really making a major impact in society? Electrical engineering is really at the core of all these large developments and big impacts.
There's innovations needed on both sides. So generating electricity, for example, various types of renewables. On the other hand, actually making things more efficient. There's just a huge number of electrical engineers that work on this across the country.
One of the things that we're working on in this lab is to be able to treat the exhaust coming out of the engines so that it's a lot cleaner when it eventually makes its way to the atmosphere.
I focus my research into reducing the pollution in the atmosphere using what I know, that is using electrical engineering. Treating diesel engine emission exhaust using non-thermal plasma. When I first got the idea of implementing this, I did not know what I'm going to get. When we first saw the results, I cannot explain what happiness that is.
The thing that excited me the most was that this was a part of my work. I did this as this was my job.
When you keep getting positive results, you feel that yes, you can implement this on a larger scale, you scale it up, and then you bring it out. Ultimately, we'll reach to a point where we can put it on big ships or automobiles and then reduce the pollution in the environment.
When we're talking about solar cells, for example, they're really an area where electrical engineers can contribute a lot. We have projects where we're trying to take some of the materials that have extremely high efficiencies for solar cells, and through materials engineering and device engineering, bring the cost of those down so that we can, in fact, generate electricity very efficiently.
Making those things and making them more efficient, you can actually make a difference. I can't stress this enough. You can do a lot being here in the electrical engineering department.
We have the resources, we have the power, we have the knowledge, so we should bring all of this together and work to save our environment.
Being in electrical engineering empowers you to work on things that can have broad societal impacts and can help us, push technology even farther than we've come so far.